The child's bed was falling in this hole here. When it rains, the water runs in the people's houses. The houses is wet. No? Now we are now sick and tired. Every year the same thing. The city gives a lot of money every year out just for floodings and that. Why don't they build us houses so that we can have houses here, man? Huh? We 13 years here. Why must we still sit in the same situation every year? When we asked the councillor to let the mayor come in here to our informal settlement, they refused that the mayor must come in and come see how it looks like here. So what is actually the problem? Why the mayor can't come here but the mayor can go to other areas? What's wrong with Overcome Heights? It was bad. Every year it's getting bad. And the people must every time put rubble in the roads to make the road higher. That's why the houses is lower than the roads.
But now what we're going to do is just what we talk about now with the housing.